very good morning, children. Today our subject are drawing and conversation. In drawing, we will feel the color in the picture, and also we will learn how to feel the color. Okay? And secondly, in conversation, we will learn the question answer related to body parts. Okay, children? Okay, children, open the page number 3 in your drawing book. The name of this drawing book is Creative Box. Okay, here the first image is given of flying butterfly. Here we need 3 colors to complete this picture. Look here, red, yellow and blue one. Okay, these 3 colors we will use to complete this picture, and already we can see here the names of colors are given. Look in the wings. Okay, so we have to take the color according to the name is given in the wings. Okay, so here we can read BLUE, blue. This one is blue. So before filling the color in the image, I want to give you a trick. What you have to do is, in the starting you have to hold the color like this, and then you have to fill the color at the edges like this. Make a dark border like this. Okay, children, like this you have to make dark border in the starting. So afterwards your work will be very easy, and the color won't come outside from the picture. And then completing once this, you can fill the color in free manner like this, and speedily also like this you can fill the color. Okay, children, now you can fill the color freely like this. Okay, now what you have to do, same trick you have to use here also. First you have to fill at the border of the wing. Okay, children, here the color will be yellow, and what you have to do here, look here, blue plus yellow, 2 color names are given. So here we will mix 2 color, and then we will come to know what type of color image will come outside. Okay, children? Okay, children, then after yellow you have to fill blue color, and you will come to know it is changing. What color comes out when we mix yellow and blue? We can see the green color will appear. Okay, which color will appear? Green color. So like this you have to complete this 3 parts of this image. Okay, children? Okay, children, now we will understand the question answer related to a body part. So before starting, I will show you something. Now see, what is this? This is a very beautiful picture. Everybody can see? Yes. Now I will ask the question. What do you do with your eyes? What do you do with your eyes? Now my answer will be, I see with my eyes, because without eyes I can't see this image. Okay, children? So what will be the answer of this question? I see with my eyes. Okay? Now I will show you another thing. Look here. What is this? Flower. Now what I will do? You know? I like to smell it. Okay? And everybody like to smell the flowers. Okay? So my next question is, what do you do with your nose? What do you do with your nose? So what answer will be? The answer will be, I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. Okay, now I will show you one more thing. This one. What is this? Tangerine. Oh. Can you hear? Everybody can hear? Okay. So my third question is, what do you do with your ears? What do you do with your ears? So answer will be, I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. Okay? Now I have one more thing to show you. What is this? This is chocolate. Everybody like? What we do with it? What we do? Huh? You know what I will do with it? I will eat it because I like chocolate very much. So my fourth question is, what do you do with your mouth? What do you do with your mouth? So what will be the answer? Answer will be, I eat with my mouth. I eat with my mouth. So tasty, so yummy. You also can eat. So bring a chocolate from the market and learn the questions, and also you eat the chocolates end of the session and you will enjoy it. Okay, bye bye.